How to use registration method in VOS3000. This is user ID. This is password. This is user IP. Go to Operation Management. Then click on Registration Management. Then click Filter and then click on Add. Now, write username and authentication pass and server IP, then click Apply. Here, you need to add username. Click Apply. Here you can see no registration time added. Then go to Account Management, then Change Account, type to Cleaning. Then click Filter. Click here to watch how to add vendor in VOS3000. Click on Number of Gateway, then go to Additional Settings Edit. Then change gateway type to registration and then write registration identification. Click on OK and then click on Apply and then click on Filter. Then go to Registration Management and then click Apply and click Filter. Now your SIP registration is complete. Here you can see registration time. Here you can see update time.